Hey guys, Miss Charlie here with the Boxycharm for May 2019. I just got this in the mail, so I wanted to go ahead and do a video on it. Haven't done one for the past couple boxes because a lot's been going on, but I will be doing or uploading a video using some of the products from the January, February, March, and April's boxes, using some of those products, so look for that video. But we're going to go ahead and get into the box for May 2019. Is the card that comes with it this month is Make Waves, and then we have the products that are in the box that we're going to go ahead and see what's going on here. I'm going to start with these eyelash curlers from Pure. They're very pretty, very iridescent looking, very nice. They're very lightweight, but I don't use eyelash curlers because my lashes naturally have a curl, so I don't need these. So these will be going into a giveaway. We will have some giveaways coming up here soon, so make sure you are subscribed, because that is one of the requirements to enter. But these are the Pure Pro Lash Curlers. These retail for $18, but they're very pretty, very iridescent. I haven't seen anyone, some of the reviews that I've seen for this month's box, I haven't seen anybody get this, but I got the eyelash curler. This cream eyeshadow from Ciate London. This retails for $22, and this is the eyeshadow topper. Look how pretty that is. This is in the color Cupid. It's a lilac with a gold reflect. Look at that. So pretty. Let me zoom you down a little bit. And we're gonna swatch this. Look at that. It's got a gold shift to that purple. It'd be great. Topper. I tried putting it on by itself, but it just goes gold. You don't even see the purple, but this is really pretty. I might use this as a liner to be a nice liner as well. But this cream eyeshadow from Ciate London, the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow in Cupid. This liquid lipstick from Violet Voss. It retails for $12. This is in the color Hot Fire. This is not my color, so this will go into a giveaway as well. It's like a coppery peachy color. It's really pretty in the bottle. There it is there. I like a good copper, but this is too light for me, and it's really sheer. But this will go into a giveaway as well. I would not be using this, but I did get this Violet Voss liquid lipstick in Cupid. This Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. This retails for $22. I have an Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette that we got last year. I love that palette, and they do have a second one. I might end up getting that one, but this is the blush palette. It's very beautiful. This would be great for deep skin tones. These are perfect colors for deep skin tones, and you do get a mirror there. But these are gorgeous, and these are in the colors. The colors Deserted, Oasis, and I can't see that, Candela. These are perfect tones for deeper skin tones, or you can use these as eyeshadows. These would be beautiful eyeshadows because these are so vibrant. I like the embossing. It is very deep. I don't know if I can see how deep the embossing is. It's not like right on top and you swirl it in and it's gone. It's a deep embossing. I like that. Let's see what these look like. Woo! Yes. Let's try them out here. A little bit will go a long way with these. These are beautiful. When I saw someone unbox this, I was like, oh, you know, I have enough blushes. But getting it in person, this is beautiful. This is perfect for deeper skin tones again, or you can use them as eyeshadows. But this I will be keeping. And this is from Alamar Cosmetics. Again, their Colorette Blush Trio. Lastly, we have this beautiful box from Glam Glow. This is their Gentle Bubble Cleanser. This retails for $28. This I am excited for. I love a good cleanser. Right now I'm using an egg cleanser, a Korean skincare egg cleanser, and my regular Noxzema. I also have a couple other cleansers that I'm going through, but I love a good cleanser. This says it has apple extract, vitamin E, green tea, and bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. So let's open her up. It also has oat and amino acids, and it's a vegan formula. Nice full size, which I am so glad. It's a nice full size. Nothing to see. There's just a clear cleanser. Let's see if it has a smell. It just smells like soap. Just smells like soap, really clean. But I love the packaging. It's beautiful. It looks like an oil slick. And I will be using this tonight to clean. I haven't worn any makeup today, so I only cleanse once. I double cleanse when I have on makeup, but I'm gonna try this tonight and see how she goes. But I'm really excited about this Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. So this is what I received in my May 2019 Boxycharm. Again, a couple of these will be going into giveaways. Make sure you are subscribed because the giveaways will be coming soon, and there will be a couple with a few products in each one. So there's probably going to be at least 5 giveaways here in the next few weeks. But all in all, I really enjoyed this box. I am excited for the bubble cleanser and the blush trio. And let me know if you got anything different, a different color, and if you are enjoying your box. And again, the video will be coming up soon where I am using products from the January, February, March, and April boxes. So make sure you're subscribed so you can see how those products looked and worked. Most of them I really enjoyed. Some are going into giveaways, but the products that I did use, I'm really enjoying. But again, thanks for watching. If you're not familiar, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. It's $21, $22 per month. Cancel if you like. I will link it below, not affiliated. But if you'd like to try it out for a month or so, I'll put the link below. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you guys in our next one.